Welcome to our smart study. Question number 1. What is the unit of power? Joule, watt, Newton, Pascal. Right answer is option B, watt. Question number 2. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? The right answer is option B, 3 cross 108 meter per second. Question number 3. Which mirror is used in headlight of vehicle? Right answer is option B, concave mirror. Question number 4. The SI unit of electric current is? The right answer is option C, ampere. Question number 5. What is the force that opposes motion called? The right answer is option B, friction. Question number 6. The atomic number of an element represent? Option A, number of neutron. Option B, number of electron. Option C, number of proton. Option D. The right answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 7. Which gas is known as laughing gas? The right answer is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 8. pH value of neutral water is? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 9 and option D 10. The right answer is option B 7. Question number 9. Which element is commonly used in batteries? The right answer is option B, lithium. Question number 10. The chemical formula of washing soda is? The right answer is option C, Na2CO3 10H2O. Question number 11. The powerhouse of the cell is? Option A, ribosome. Option B, nucleus. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, chloroplast. The right answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 12. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin K. Option D, vitamin D. The right answer is option C, vitamin K. Question number 13. What is the structural and functional unit of the kidney? Option A, neuron. Option B, nephron. Option C, alveoli. D, glomerulus. The right answer is option B, nephron. Question number 14. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Option A, option B, B, C, AB, D, O. The right answer is option D, O. Question number 15. The largest gland in the human body is? The right answer is option A, liver. Question number 16. The process of converting solid directly into gas is called? The right answer is option A, sublimation. Question number 17. The first law of thermodynamics is based on option A, conservation of mass, option B, conservation of energy. The right answer is option B, conservation of energy. Question number 18. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? The right answer is option C, sphygmomanometer. Question number 19. What is the main component of natural gas? The right answer is option C, methane. Option A, ethene, propane, butane. The right answer is option C, methane. Question number 20. In which layer of the atmosphere is the ozone layer found? The right answer is option B, stratosphere. Option A, troposphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, mesosphere. D, thermosphere. Question number 21. What is used as a coolant in nuclear reactor? Option A, heavy water. B, light water. C, graphite. D, sodium chloride. The right answer is option A, heavy water. Question number 22. What type of lens is used to correct short-sightedness? Option A, convex. Option B, concave. Option C, cylindrical. D, plane lens. The right answer is option B, concave lens. Question number 23. Which material is the best conductor of electricity? The right answer is option A, favor silver. Option B, copper. Option C, aluminium. And option D is gold. But the right answer is option A, favor silver. Question number 24. What is the primary function of a transformer? Option A, to generate electricity. B, to convert AC to DC to step up or step down voltage. Option D, to increase power. The right answer is option C. Question number 25. The main ore of aluminium is. The right answer is option B, bauxite. Question number 26. The main cause of acidic rain is. Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. C, methane. D, ammonia. But the right answer is option B, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Question number 27. Which gas is the major contributor to global warming? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon. But the right answer is option B, carbon dioxide as the major contributor to global warming. Question number 28. Deforestation will result in decreased rainfall, soil erosion, loss of biodiversity. But the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 29. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Option A, nitrogen. B, argon. C, methane. D, neon. But the right answer is option C, methane. Question number 30, the last one. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Option A, vitamin B. Option B, vitamin C. Option D, C, vitamin D. Option D, vitamin A. The right answer is option B, vitamin C as the right answer. Thanks for watching.